Are you tired of presenting data as just plain text in Word? Does your report feel a little, well, boring without those visual insights? Then you are in the right place today. Learn to quickly create impactful pie charts, transforming your documents into visually engaging masterpieces that really tell your story. All right, we're going to walk you through every simple step, from where to click to insert your chart, to customizing your data, and making sure your presentations grab attention. It's all here, laid out clearly for you. Now, let's dive right in. The very first thing you'll want to do when you're looking to add any kind of new element to your document, whether it's an image, a table, or in our case a chart, is to head over to the Insert tab. It's usually right there at the top of your Word window between Home and Draw. Go ahead and click that Insert tab. Okay, once you've clicked Insert, you'll see a whole bunch of new options pop up in the ribbon below. We're looking for the Illustrations group, and within that you'll find the chart icon. You're looking for an icon that typically looks like a little bar graph. This is your gateway to all sorts of visual data representation, and it's exactly what we need for our pie chart. Click on Chart. Alright, clicking Chart will open up the Insert Chart dialog box. You'll see a list of different chart types on the left-hand side, everything from columns to lines to, yep, our friend the pie chart. Why a pie chart? Because they're perfect for showing proportions, how different parts contribute to a whole, so go ahead and select pie from that list. You'll see a preview of what it looks like on the right. Once you've selected pie, you'll likely see a few different styles of pie charts to choose from, like 2D or 3D. For now, let's just stick with the standard 2D pie option, which is usually the default. When you're happy with your choice, just go ahead and click the OK button at the bottom right of that dialog box. Word will then insert a basic pie chart directly into your document. Now here's the really important part where you bring your own data to life. As soon as you insert the pie chart, you'll notice two things. Your chart appears in Word, and a small Excel-like window pops up right next to it. This little spreadsheet is where you'll input all your specific numbers and categories. It's super handy because Word and Excel work together seamlessly here. You'll see some placeholder data, like first quarter, second quarter, and some numbers. We need to change that to reflect your information. To do this, simply click on a cell in the Excel window, just like you would in a regular Excel spreadsheet, and type in your new category. For example, instead of first quarter, maybe you want sales, or marketing, or research. As you type, watch what happens to your chart in Word. See? It updates in real time. That's the magic. Then move over to the corresponding value cell, which is typically in the second column. Delete the old number and enter your actual data. Let's say you're tracking budget allocations, and sales represents 25%. Type 25 timers there. You'll immediately see the slice of your pie chart for sales adjust to reflect that new value. This kind of integration between Word and Excel is incredibly efficient, and it's a prime example of how understanding these basic software functionalities really helps you present data like a pro. It lets you create dynamic, professional-looking visuals without ever leaving Word. What if you have more categories or fewer? No problem. If you need more rows for data, just type into the next empty row below your current data. The chart's data range, usually highlighted with a blue border, will automatically expand to include your new entries. If you have fewer categories, you can simply delete the extra rows in this Excel window. The chart will automatically remove those slices. Just be sure the blue border around your data range only encompasses the cells you want included in your chart. Once you've entered all your data, you don't need to save this Excel window separately. You can simply click outside of it, anywhere in your Word document, or close the Excel window by clicking the X in its top right corner. All your changes are automatically applied to the chart in Word. Pretty neat, right? And there you have it. You've transformed dull text into a clear, professional pie chart right within Microsoft Word. Now you can confidently create visuals that truly enhance your documents and make your presentations shine. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.